Hey, I'm Daniel. I'm responsible for the product management of our multi-access systems. In this short video, I will explain why our market-leading tools allow you to size and configure a Cartesian robot in record short time. Finding a fitting solution for your specific handling task is complex and takes days to master. I will now show you how to do this in just a couple of minutes. Let's start with Lean Select, our tool for sizing multi-axis systems, linear axis and actuators helps you to find the right products for your tasks. Our novel reference processes allow you to define a complete pick-and-place operation with just a set of 9 parameters. Within seconds you can create a complete cycle. Choose the mechanical layout, motors and drives you want to have. The motor and the drive are of course also sized and chosen automatically in the right dimension. And with just one more click we are finished in Lean Select and continue in our online configurator. As you can see, sizing a Cartesian robot for such a complex process has never been easier and faster. Lean Select directly hands over the parameters into the online configurator. Fine-tune the configuration and get a first look at your linear robot in our novel and detailed 3D preview. Experience the performance of our configurator. Changes take only seconds to take effect. Get your CAD files via email or directly finish purchasing by putting the configured robot in your shopping cart. Our plug and produce system will be delivered pre-mounted and ready for commissioning to your site, which we explain in this video. If you want to get more information about our incredible products and e-tools, please check out our homepage and YouTube channel. Bye bye!